Now let's look at the whole melody, which sounds like this. Mō tātou te tai au ko te ata whai. Mō tātou te tai au ko te oranga. It is given to us to care for the world, for it gives us our wellness in return. So even though there's quite a lot of notes, it's reasonably easy because you're jumping back and forth between an open string and a fretted note a lot. So I'm going to sing the Māori words and play along. 1, 2, 3. Mō tātou te tai au ko te ata whai. Mō tātou te tai au ko te oranga. So the notes are the same in the English, just there's a few more of some of them and less of others, but in the same place. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. It is given to us to care for the world, for it gives us our wellness in return. And that last note is missing in the English. Okay, so there's the whole melody.